Yeah, madam. So what we'll do is we'll create first a new Salesforce developer account. So I'm giving first name, last name. This is my email ID. You can choose anyone here, any role. Your company name, example, I can give my company name is Samsung. I am living in India. Okay. You can give any postal code here. So username I can give. What is my last username? CPQ-23, right? I'll give now. New username is CPQ-24. This is my username, Salesforce CPQ-24. Okay. Just click a sign me up. So this is already everyone knows like how to create new developer account. Okay. So no need to discuss in depth. So once you click a sign me up, it will take time to create account. So we'll get email. So this is the email I have given. Sometimes it will take 5 to 10 minutes also. So just we have to wait, madam. Okay. It is taking.
So can we use admin ID here, sir?
Yeah, you can use that account also, but don't use here, madam, because make it separate class. That admin is you can use admin development lighting. That is separate org. You can use this is separate CPQ practice only. You can create a number of developer accounts. There is no problem.
Okay.
Understand, madam? Just you have to give the different username. That's it. You can create a number of developer accounts. There is no issues. Clear, madam? What I'm saying?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the URL. And everyone, not only you, madam. So other people also please use different account for CPQ practice. Don't use the same org. Great. Clear what I'm saying? Donappa Hussain. Deepa madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I said yes.
Don't use same org. Create a separate org for CPQ practice.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay. So I am creating new developer account. So it is taking time. So meanwhile, what we'll discuss is we'll discuss about so first after creating account, what is the second step we have to do, madam? Install CPQ package. What you have to do, madam? We have to install the Salesforce CPQ package. Why? Because this class is mainly for CPQ practice, CPQ understanding purpose. So we have to use the CPQ package. So where we can get the CPQ package? If I want to learn CPQ, where we can get the CPQ, how we can learn CPQ, all those things is. So we have a separate URL for installing Salesforce CPQ package. Okay, madam. So what is that and is? So just go to here, type install.steelbrick2.com. So what is the URL we have to use, madam? Install.steelbrick.com. Because this package is developed by CPQ company, Steelbrick company. So that's why they are giving, this is the username. Okay. So use this URL for CPQ package installation. Okay. So if you go to this URL, here you can see, madam, all the latest CPQ related topics. So this is normal Salesforce CPQ. Okay. In case if you want to use a CPQ for Service Cloud, you can use this one. Okay. If you want to use CPQ for other billing, I told you yesterday, right, in the demo class. Even if you want to use billing also, billing, right? This is upcoming future. There is a good demand for this one also. And all are something billing and CPQ related, all those things you can see here. But our focus is on this topic only, Salesforce CPQ only now. So here you can see the latest winter 23 version number. So when it is released actually, okay, November 5. So where you want to install? If you want to install this package in production or sandbox, what is production, ma'am? Developer edition is production or sandbox now? This org is production or sandbox now? Developer edition.
It's production.
Production. Sandbox. What is the URL for sandbox? What is the URL for sandbox?
Test.sandbox.com.
Test.salesforce.com. So developer edition we are using which one, madam? Login.salesforce.com. So that's why what we can consider this one is a production. Understand, madam? So here we have to click the production. Okay. So before clicking production, first we need to activate our org. So we have received email now. Just click here. So this is my URL and this is my username. Just click a verify account. So once you click verify account, so here we can give a new password. I can give my new password here. So here I can give a click a change password. So I am creating completely new developer Salesforce developer account. So in the same org, we are going to use a CPQ package. Okay. Once you create account, so now what you can do, you can install the CPQ package. So go to this URL. So this is the latest version. Click on production. This link. So what is the username, madam? This is my username. So in this org only I want to install, right? So that's why I have to give that username and give the password. Okay. So then click a login button. So I want to save this in my organizer extension. So I'm clicking yes. Okay. So here I will not give phone number. I don't want to register my phone number. I'll remain, maybe I'll do later. I'll click remind me later. So now we are installing the CPQ package. So it is asking questions, madam. So this package you want to install only for Salesforce admin profile or all the users in your system or any specific profiles. You can choose for which profiles you want to give access. Okay. So my requirement, I'll go for all the users. So anyone can use this in my org, all the users can use this CPQ package. Okay. Okay, then click on this. I acknowledge that I'm installing non-Salesforce application that is not authorized by distribution as part of Salesforce application. No problem. Just click on install. Even if you want to see, this is a package, right, madam? So in this package, there are so many components in the background. If you click a view components, you can see clearly. Okay, what are the things are there in this component in the package? There are so many objects, so many visual force pages, so many components, so many fields, so many lightning components. All these components are developed in CPQ package, madam. So because of all these components, so much of Salesforce CPQ is automated in the CPQ. Because of all these things only, automatically created trigger contracts, code templates, like amendments, renewal opportunities. So much of functionality developed with Steelbrick company for automation of CPQ, and so many things we can achieve in the CPQ. These are all components. Okay, you can see all these things. These are all will come after your package is installed in the org. Okay, so just click a install button. So yes, I want to give access, this third-party access to my Salesforce or click a continue. So now your CPQ package will install in this organization. So where you can check after package installation, how you will know package is installed successfully or not. How you can check all those things is, if this package is installed successfully, you will get one email, confirmation email. And along with this, what you can do is, you can go to the Salesforce or here you can just type installed packages. So here you will see if package is installed successfully. You can see that all the packages information here. Okay. So because this is not a small thing, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes because this is there are so many components. Just now we have seen, right? So much of components are there in this package. So it will take time to install this organization. Okay, in your org. Okay. So meanwhile, we will discuss some other topics. Okay. So now we can go to this org. This is the URL. Okay. So now, example, assume we have installed package successfully. Okay. Package is installed successfully. Then what you have to do after package installation? What are the first steps we have to do in the system? Okay. Post package installation steps. What you have to do? The steps after package installation in the Salesforce. Okay. So first thing is, okay, so we have to enable calculation service, calculator for all the calculations. I'll tell you, I will show you how to enable all these calculation services and all in the package. And second one is we need to update CPQ layouts. We need to assign CPQ layouts to the profiles. Which profiles wants to use CPQ functionality, right? So by default, now what you can see, if you go to the account object, if you just, after seeing this message, just click a done button, then only it will install. It will take time, okay? So if you see normally, if you go to the object manager, if you open account object, if you go to the page layouts, you can see by default, these layouts is given by Salesforce. So there is no like a CPQ layout now, correct, madam? Not only this object, if you go to the other object, product object. So in the product object, how many layouts you can see? There is only one layout, normal product layout. Okay. If you use this layouts, you cannot do CPQ configurations. Okay. So CPQ package having their own page layouts, their own fields, their own buttons, their own components, everything is provided by CPQ. So that package is installed successfully, you will get all the CPQ layouts for objects. Okay, some important objects which is required for CPQ. So actually, which objects are important for CPQ, sir? So there are some objects, stand objects we are using for CPQ functionality. One is product. So this object also, we have separate fields and layouts, CPQ layout, and account, and opportunity, and contract. For these Salesforce objects, instead of normal page layout, instead of default layout, okay, what we have to do is, madam, we have to assign CPQ layouts. So why CPQ layouts is, so if you want to work on CPQ functionality, for example, assume I am Varaprasad, right? So if I want to work on CPQ functionality, CPQ package, what I have to do? I need to access CPQ things. So that's why, so for example, Vara profile is system administrator. So what I have to do, sir? For all this profile, who wants to work on Salesforce CPQ, for that profiles, so we have to assign CPQ layouts. Everyone knows, right, how to assign CPQ page layouts to the other profiles? Anyone knows how to assign page layouts to the profiles, madam? How we can assign? Where we can go? How we can assign page layouts to the profiles? Where you
Object.
can go? If you go to the object, you can see there is a option.
Page.
So which page layout you want to use for which profile? Which page layout you want to use for which profile? You can see here, right? Currently, we have only one page layout for product object. That's why everyone can see the normal product layout. Okay, madam. For example, if I want to assign 2 page layouts for one user, can we assign, madam, 2 page layouts or 3 page layouts for one user?
Yes,
Can
sir.
we assign, how we can assign more than 1 page layout to the user profile? He wants to see two page layout. One is a product layout, one is CPQ product layout. He wants to see both page layouts.
Record types.
Correct. What is the top? What we have, madam? If you want to assign more than 1 page layout, we should go for what, madam? Record type. That already we know in admin, right? Okay. So, but here also, if you want to use record types, if you want to use both page layouts for admin profile, you can create a one record type, a normal product record type, or a CPQ product, like a CPQ product, something like that. Create 2 record types. In one record type, you can use product layout. In another record type, what you can do, madam? CPQ page layout, if you want. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to use this normal page layout. So I want to focus mainly on CPQ functionality now. So what I have to do, madam? What is the Vara profile now?
System administrator.
For this profile, which layout we will assign? CPQ product layout. Okay. Still that is not installed. Once this package is installed, you will get, it will take time, 10 minutes. So just I'm saying, okay, how you can assign page layouts to the profiles. So this person is working on CPQ functionality. So that's why I'm assigning CPQ layout. For example, there is one more profile called standard user. If he wants to work on CPQ functionality, what we can do, madam? Assign to the CPQ layouts. Otherwise, how we can see the CPQ fields, layout, and all those things, right? So who wants to work on CPQ functionality? Who needs to configure products for all those profiles? You can use the CPQ layouts instead of normal layouts. Clear what I'm saying here till now? Understanding or not?
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Okay. So this okay. This is the second step we have to do after package installation. And now important topic is, so we need to talk about product object, price book object, and price book entry object. I think everyone knows here who are joined, they are admin. So what is the relationship between product, price book, and price book entry?
it's a
Product and price book are
many-to-many
paired.
relationship.
Many-to-many relationship. What is many-to-many relationship?
Where a product have can have many prices. And so one product can have many prices.
I'll explain once again because 2 or 3 people are new here. I'll take an example. Okay. So we know product and price book, all these are custom objects or standard objects, madam?
So standard
objects.
No, custom objects.
So custom objects, madam?
Yes, sir.
Product, price book, and price book entry is custom objects or standard objects?
Standard objects.
What is standard object meaning, madam?
Created by force.com.
Created by Salesforce given by madam. If you create by using force.com, that is called custom.
Okay.
Already Salesforce is giving or you are creating these objects?
No, sir. Already.
No, madam. Already Salesforce is giving this.
Salesforce has given.
We have not creating any product object. We created now. We created up this product object now. Automatically this came.
It's a standard object, so
standard.
it's created by Salesforce.com.
So whatever Salesforce is providing, that is called standard. Whatever we can create, that is called custom. Not only object, either custom field, standard layout, custom layout, standard profile, custom profile, standard application, custom application. Understand, madam? Everything by default Salesforce provides, that is called standard. If we create, that is called custom. Clear, everyone? This is product object. This is price book object. For example, I have a products here called Samsung laptop 1, Samsung laptop 2, Samsung laptop 3. Okay, we have 3 products. So in a Salesforce, what is the first thing we have to do is, whenever you create a product required in Salesforce, we have to assign default price, or you can call it as a standard price. Whenever you create a product in a Salesforce, first thing what you have to do, we have to assign standard price for that product. That is mandatory. So for example, I can give for this product price is $100. This product price is $200. This product price is $300. This is the standard price, madam. Okay. So based on the customer, based on the customer's region, country, state, this will change. Okay. How it will change, we'll discuss coming soon. Okay? So this is product. So product is nothing but a product name, product code, which type of product. Okay. Software, hardware, family, all those things come under product object. So why we'll go for price book? Okay. For example, if I want to sell my products only in one place, only in India, then you don't need to create a multiple price books. You can create only one price book. Already by default is their standard price book. You can use it. You can assign all these products to the one price book. You can sell it in only one place. But customer is selling his products in a different countries. So then what you can do? You should go for different price books. For India customers, I'll go for India price book. For USA customer, I can create a different price book. For Japan customers, I can create different price book. And one more thing is, product price is not fixed in all the places. Correct, madam? So based on the country, based on the taxes in their country, GSTs and all those things, product price will change. Okay. So for example, if I want to sell this Samsung laptop 1 product in all these 3 countries, so what I have to do? have to link this product to all the price books. Right? Like this, you can link the. So similarly, I want to sell this one also in all the 3 countries. Same for this. I want to sell 3 products in all the countries. Same. Now, if you observe, one product is having how many price books?
3 price books.
Multiple. Simple. I am giving 3 price books. You can create 10 number of price books. Understand? Similarly, one price book is having how many products?
Multiple.
Is having how many products? Multiple products. So this is called many-to-many relationship in a Salesforce. One product can have a multiple price books. One product you can sell in multiple countries. Similarly, one country you can assign multiple products. This is called many-to-many relationship in a Salesforce. So normally, we cannot create many-to-many relationship in Salesforce between the 2 objects directly. That is not possible. You cannot link like this. If you want to link product and price book, so what you have to do is
Junction object. We have to create junction.
a junction object in a Salesforce. Here, in this case, what is the junction object name is? What's madam?
Price book
entry, sir.
Price book entry. So from the price book entry, we have a relationship to which one? Product. From the price book entry to price book also, we have a relationship. Okay, this is called child object or junction object. In the price book entry, what you can choose here now? You can choose the what, madam? What you can choose now? Which product?
Product and price.
For which, where you want to sell India customers? I'll choose a India price book. What is the default price is there, madam, here? $100. For India customers, you want to use the same price or you want to change? Here, I will use the same price for India customers. How much price I'm giving for India customers?
100.
If I'll choose for India customers, what is the price for the Samsung laptop one? $100. So this is called what, madam? List price. Same product example, same Samsung laptop one. I want to sell in USA. What I have to do, madam? I have to choose the USA price book. But USA, there is a huge demand. I'll make it a $120. Same product, based on the country, price is changing, madam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So because based on what is the use of price book is, generally why we will create a multiple price books is, if you want to differentiate price for your product based on the place, region, country, then only you can go for multiple price books. If you want to fix price for the product all over the countries, no need to create all these price books. One price book is enough. Okay. Same way, if I want to create a Samsung laptop 2 for India customers, I will use a $200. Same Samsung laptop 2 for USA customers, I want to give $250. Understand, madam? What you are observing here now? So one product, Samsung laptop one is having multiple price books. Yes or no? Samsung laptop one is there India also, US also. Same way, India having multiple products, laptop one also there, laptop 2 also there. So like this, if you want to link one product to multiple price books, one price book to multiple products, what is the junction object here, madam?
Price book entry.
Price book entry. It's clear what I'm saying? Chandar, you are following what I'm saying? Chandar or Rishikesh, Kritika, Krishnamurti. Are you clear, madam? Mainly Kritika, Krishnamurti and Chandar and Rishikesh. You people only, because other people already they joined admin. They know Salesforce.
Okay. Yeah, clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So one product and price book is these are all standard objects in Salesforce. One product can have a multiple price books. One price book can have a multiple products. So whenever we can create a product in Salesforce, we should assign the standard price. But this price is change. You can change at the time of linking product and pricing. If you want to link this one to this product and price book, where we can connect these 2 objects in the price book entry object, we can connect both objects. That's why we can call this junction object or child object. This is having a relationship to product. This is having a relationship to the price book. Choose product, price book, and give the price. this is the relationship between product, price book, and price book entry. This is the main thing. If you want to create products in Salesforce CPQ, you should understand the configuration of products, how you have to configure. Right, madam? So we'll see CPQ package installed or not. You are getting email? Right, madam? So your package is installed successfully. Where you can check now? Package installed successfully or not?
Refresh.
Refresh. In the installed packages, you can see that. Okay. Right. So this is here you can see the package, your CPQ package. Okay. So this is one part. We'll do one thing. We'll stop it.